Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 29th of July, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyzed market today and yesterday. I haven't uploaded my yesterday analysis because the market was quiet. We were waiting for the FOMC meeting. At that time, I finished my early day yesterday. But today, I'll show you how I analyzed yesterday and today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD, and let's see how I did. If you look at the EURUSD, if you look at in the 4-hour chart, as you know that from this week we were long, as you can see here. If you haven't seen my previous analysis review, feel free, the link is given, video link is given in the video description. We were long, and day before yesterday we were long here and pulled back, and yesterday after the FOMC meeting we were long here as at this level, and we will keep taking a pullback whole day today. Let me share with you the analysis. This is the only one analysis. We were expecting another pullback, deep pullback, but I said to my trader, just keep taking a long trade here. So this is the analysis we did yesterday after the FOMC meeting. As you can see here, based on this analysis, let me open my pointer guys and let me share with you the okay. So if you look at the yesterday, I mentioned look for pullback here and then breakout, otherwise long here. So you can see here we have another pullback here, bank few PPs, and then afterwards, after the FOMC meeting, price broken, and after the breakout, price retest. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and we have taken this long. And that's what I explained to my trader. Once the price break the major structure in 4 hour, just keep taking a pullback. You can see here we have one and second pullback. Today we have a quite interesting pullback. So let me share with you guys. You can see here today we had a beautiful, this was the breakout yesterday, today, and yeah, even this one yesterday, and today we have this one beautiful pullback, another pullback. So we will keep taking a pullback long trade on EURUSD, and we really enjoyed today. Okay, let's move on to the pound dollar. We had an amazing trade pound dollar after the FOMC meeting yesterday. If you look at the 4-hour chart, if you look at yesterday, we have price nicely came back and respected and the previous low, and we have a beautiful pullback, and afterwards we have beautiful long trade, and we will keep enjoying pullback long trade here. So we really enjoy pullback long today on pound dollar from yesterday. And let me share with you the analysis of the intraday based on the 4-hour price action. If I show you here, this was the okay, so this is the analysis. Okay, so this is the analysis we did after the FOMC meeting. Price develop a false breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. Now more likely the price is going to reverse because we were watching in 4 hour. As you can see here, price nicely because reverse, and here in intraday it's looked like false breakout. That was the breakout trade yesterday after the New York session FOMC meeting in the evening. We were long trade here, and I explained to trader just keep taking a pullback or breakout. Then at the the Asian session, I also did this analysis. As you can see here, this is the consolidation breakout, and we had beautiful breakout and another pullback and another pullback. As soon as the price hit around this level, that explained to my trader it's time to enjoy peeping. So you can see this was a pretty straightforward. After the FOMC meeting, price nicely broken this one and respected this one, and keep taking a pullback long trade here. So we really enjoyed it on pound dollar. Let's see right now, we can see here it looks like the rejection, so you are expecting another possibility might going to see counter. If you look at here, price respected here, respected here, respected here, respected here. Let's see price possibility of counter short trade, otherwise might going to hit 140 level. And what we have done it in intraday, we are looking at breakout. So the safest way for us to trade even in counter, if the price break and retest, give us the confirmation, that give us the counter short trade opportunity. Otherwise, as long as the momentum is bullish, we always look for the pullback. All right, so let's look at the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting moves. After, you can see here in 4 hour, we had this beautiful breakout after the FOMC meeting. I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. As I always explain, whenever the price break the major structure, just keep taking a small pullback. So we have a very interesting and fantastic intraday system which help us to keep taking a pullbacks. You can see we have this breakout, after we break, we have breakout, pullback, pullback, and pullback. And let me explain to you how we did as an intraday analysis. If you look at here on $CAD, we had, this is the analysis I did. This was the analysis at the New York session. I did 2 analyses for my traders just to help them to bank some profit. You can see here, this was the pre-straightforward breakout, pullback, and I also updated this analysis in different angle. As you can see here, breakout, afterwards breakout, pullback. So we will keep taking a pullback short trade here as soon as the price break the major structure in 4 hour. And this morning we had a very small counter long trade. You can see here, that's what I explained, but I finished my London morning early. You can see after that price nicely reversed. But at the New York session, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, as you can see, and explain to my trader, if we see the candle is close above this previous level here, and then we should be taking a counter long, otherwise we should be more focused on short trade here. So you can see here, we had a beautiful breakout short trade here as soon as the price hit to the major resist support level, which is 124,400 level, and also 200 EMA in 4 hour. That's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So you can see guys, we had amazing long trades on EURUSD, pound dollar, and short trade on $CAD. We really enjoyed. So beautiful trade guys. And we have also beautiful short trades on dollar Swiss franc. Let me share with you guys. You can see here, this was the analysis. We had another major structure broken, beautiful breakout short trade here, and keep taking a pullbacks. And as you can see here, based on the intraday analysis, that's what we explained to my trader at that time at the New York session, had this London morning yesterday. Explained to my trader, look for pullback and keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, we have pullback, 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 and we announce all these trades through live intraday analysis and explain to my trader, keep taking up pullbacks. And you can see here, such a beautiful, nice trade here. At the New York session, again, most of the trader was thinking price might going to reverse. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. So you can see here, price nicely broken previous low and bank another few more pps. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis. As you can see, we had amazing trades, banking pips, most of the pairs. We really enjoyed it, you know, all these analysis, even pound, dollar, euro, yen. We had a beautiful breakout. You can see after the breakout, beautiful, another pullback long trade here. All right guys, so if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, that's the interesting part of it. And banking pips in real time, that's amazing part of it. And more important thing is developing your trading skill in real time with the analyst. He can help you with the real market. So that's the best things. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency in profit pips, then definitely I can help you to get funded from the platforms. If you are interested how I help my traders to develop their trading skills through this platform in real time, and I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultancy. If my availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free if you are interested. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading. We watch in 4 hour, and we have our intraday system which help us to refine entries and exit and bank beautiful pips. So I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy, you know, pipping alongside with my professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.